Hey guys, good evening. I'm Harshad. Yeah, I understand it's been a very long that I didn't make a video, right? So basically, today's topic is two technical tips for intraday if you are a trader or an investor, right? So before getting into it, I just want to tell a simple story, right? Couple of my colleagues, like precisely two, three of colleagues was, they are a trader, they, invest in stocks and, play intraday, like, they don't prefer long-term investments, right? So I just, randomly ask one of them that why do you not, prefer long-term investments like 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, and so on. So he answered me that, we prefer intraday because they have some sort of jobs that don't pay their bills, and all those stuff, like all that problems and circumstances. So this video, or this two tips, or technical tips, are for people who invest in stock market and do intraday, right? So the first tip is trend, right? Chart trend, right? If you are a trader and if you do an intraday, you just have to figure out, or track the trend, right? For example, if the chart is going up, uptrend, then it is a clear sign you have to buy that stock, right? If in case the price of the stock is going downtrend, then it is a clear sign you have to sell that stock, right? And if in case the price of the stock or the price of the share is stable or linear like this, so it is a clear sign you don't have to buy for now. Or even if you have bought some sort of shares, you have to hold it for some time until and unless the price don't shoot up, right? And yeah, so this was the first tip. Second tip, or second factor, is RSI, relative strength index, right? So it's not that hard, or that difficult term. Let's take, or let's uh, you know let me explain with an example, right? So basically, there is a company XYZ company limited, right? They are listed on BSE or NSE, right? So basically they have 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares are distributed, or you know owned, or hold it by 10 shareholders or 10 promoters, right? 10 shareholders, not promoters. Promoters are the owners, right? 10 shareholders, right? 10, 10, 10, 10, 100 shares. Okay, so let's consider everything is okay, everything is going well in the stock market. The company's price is shooting up and going uptrend, and suddenly two or three of them, or two or three of them, the shareholders, get some sort of bad news about the company, like they are decreasing their pricing, or their product is not that worth, and anything of that sort. And they decide to sell their shares, okay, in the market, or dump their shares in the market. And after dumping that shares or selling that shares, the RSI, right, the RSI gradually decreases, right? For example, uh, company XYZ company limited has 100 shares, so three of the shareholders decides to sell 30 shares of 10, 10, 10, 10, right, shareholders. So the relative strength index, or RSI, gradually decreases, right? Means, for example, the shares are, if bought, or by the investors or shareholders, then the RSI shoot up, or goes down up, right? And if the shares are sold out, or selling more than buying, then the RSI comes down. Okay, so you have to look at RSI. Now there are three cases, right? If the RSI goes below 40, then it is a clear indicator you have to sell that share at any cost to stop losses, or make little profit, right? If the RSI is between 40 to 60, you have to make sure you hold that stock, but track it regularly, right? During the market times between 9:30 to 3:30, 9:15, sorry. And if the RSI is above 60, then make sure to you know buy that stock at any case, right? And for example, Tata Motors, or sorry, Tata Power, right? The RSI of Tata Power before 15 days was around 65. So I bought Tata Power shares, right? Just because I tracked the RSI, and fortunately the price of Tata Power shoot out, right? Now if you check, or track the RSI of Tata Power, you will get to know that the RSI is something like below 40, 38, 40, 40, something like that, because the price has gone down gradually, and because the investors are selling the shares of Tata Power and not buying the shares of Tata Power, right? So yeah, these two factors are extremely and super important if you do intraday. And there are many of the factors. This was just a technical aspect, right? There are fundamentals, there are other financial factors, other political factors, environmental factors, government factors, policies, and so on and so forth, right? So yeah, I hope this video was insightful for you, and thanks for watching my video.